Total Preparation Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program. Friends, we would like to introduce General Science Question and Answers Part 1. In this video edition, we will be discussing some very important question and answers of General Science, which are very important from the perspective of upcoming competitive exams. Let's quickly begin with the first question. Which of the following is a vector? So as you can see, there are four options that we have given. Option A is work, option B is time, option C is mass, and option D is gravitational force. So friends, I would like to tell you that the correct answer to this question is the gravitational force, which is option D. Where are the spores located? Option A, embryo, option B, ovary, option C, style, option D, stamens. The correct answer to this question is option B, ovary. The conduction of water in plants takes place through, the options are A, by phloem, B, by xylem, C, by sieve tubes, and D, by epidermal cells. The correct answer to this question is by xylem. The tissue that provides elasticity in plants is option A, parenchyma, option B, collenchyma cells, option C, sclerenchyma, and option D, none of these. So friends, the correct answer to this question is option B, collenchyma cells. So our fifth question is, in which phase of the cell cycle does the synthesis of DNA take place? The first option is G1 phase, the second option is S phase, option third is M phase, and option D is G2 phase. The correct answer to this question is S phase, which is also known as the synthesis phase. Next very important question is, which scientist discovered the nucleus? Option A, Robert Brown, option B, Robert Hooke, option C, Leeuwenhoek, option D, Schleiden. The correct answer to this question is Robert Brown, which is option A. Which part of the cell is called the powerhouse of the cell? So the first option that we have here is mitochondria, option B is lysosomes, option C is ribosome, option D is nucleus. So friends, the correct answer to this question is option A, mitochondria. The origin of life in living organisms has been divided into how many stages as per the theory of Russian scientist Oparin? The options are option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, and option D 8. So the correct answer to this question is 7, which is option C. What is a lichen? Option A, psychrophyte, option B, mesophyte, option C, halophyte, option D, pneumatophore. The correct answer to this question is, it is a psychrophyte, option A. What are vascular cryptogams? The answer to this question is option A, pteridophytes. Which plant has the largest ovule in the entire plant kingdom? The options are pines, cycas, equal in both, or ephedra. The correct answer to this question is cycas, which is option B. The next question is, pines are option A, an angiosperm, option B, a gymnosperm, option C, a bryophyte, option D, a pteridophyte. The correct answer to this question is gymnosperm, which is option B. Name the plants termed as amphibians of the plant kingdom. Option A is bryophytes, option B is pteridophytes, option C is gymnosperm, option D is algae. The correct answer to this question is option C, gymnosperm. In which kingdom is the bacteria placed? Option A, Monera, option B, Protista, option C, fungi, option D, algae. The correct answer to this question is option A, Monera. So the next question is, which of the following replicates only within the host organism? Option A, bacteria. Option B, virus. Option C, amoeba. Option D, fungus. The correct answer to this question is option B, virus. Cardiac muscular tissue is A, striated, B, non-striated, C, striated and branched, D, non-branched. The correct answer to this question is answer C, which is striated and branched. Smooth muscle is option A, striated, option B, non-striated, option C, both of the above, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, non-striated. Which phylum does starfish belong to? Option A, mollusca, option B, echinodermata, option C, arthropoda, option D, annelida. The correct answer is option B, echinodermata. What is beekeeping called? Option A, apiculture, option B, poultry culture, option C, ground culture, option D, horticulture. The correct answer is option A, apiculture. Which is the deadliest species of Plasmodium? Option A, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum. The correct answer to this question is option D, Plasmodium falciparum. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? Option A, tuberculosis, option B, polio, option C, dengue, option D, AIDS. The correct answer to this question is option A, tuberculosis. Which is the AIDS virus? Option A, HIV, option B, AIDS, option C, HIVV, option D, HDD. The correct answer to this question is option A, HIV. What will be the sequence of gases in air as per their increasing composition? Option A, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon. Option B, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. Option D, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. The answer to this question is option B, which is the correct sequence, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen as per their increasing composition in air. How much does the human brain weigh in grams? The correct answer to this question is option D, 1350 grams. Which one of the following is the example of somatic reproduction in leaves? Option A, bryophyllum, option B, budding, option C, sporogenesis, option D, rhizopus. The correct answer to this question is option A, bryophyllum. When two gametes of different strains undergo fusion, what is the method of reproduction called? Option A, sexual reproduction, option B, asexual reproduction, option C, somatic reproduction, and option D, none of these. The correct answer to this question is option A, sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction occurs in bacteria: A, by binary fission, B, by hybridization, C, by fusion, D, by fragmentation. The correct answer is A, by binary fission. The cells participating in gametogenesis are A, male gametes, B, female gametes, C, both, and option D is male or female gametes. The correct answer to this question is option C, which is both. What is an example of a bulb? Option A, ginger, option B, onion, option C, doob grass, option D, potato. The correct answer to this question is option B, onion. So friends, the last question of this part is the structure that participates in vegetative reproduction in potato is option A, adventitious roots, option B, terminal bud on stem, option C, potato tuber nodes or eye, option D, aerial stem. The correct answer to this question is option C, potato, tuber nodes or I. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.